Ever wonder how tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini give such impressive answers? Well, sure, the AI models are smart, but behind those responses are people called prompt engineers. Now, these folks know how to talk to AI in just the right way to get the best results to you. And the cool part, it's becoming a real career path, not just someone behind the scene tech thing, right? So if you're curious about what prompt engineers actually do, how to get into it, and what kind of future this field has, you are in the right spot. So what is prompt engineering, right? Prompt engineering is basically figuring out the best way to ask an AI model something so it gives you something exactly what you need, whether it's a well-written article, code snippet, or creative idea. Prompt is just what you type into the chatbot, and we do it every day. But the difference between a response and a great one, that comes down to your skill, how well the prompt is written. Now, that's the whole job of the prompt engineer, asking smarter questions, giving clearer instructions, and shaping the AI's behavior. So prompt engineering, why does it matter, right? Well, AI becomes central to industries like education, healthcare, content creation, software development, and so on. The quality of its responses depends heavily on how well it's prompted. Now, poorly designed prompts lead to, of course, poor results. Well-engineered results unlock the real potential of large language models. That's why this career is getting so much attention. It's essential to making AI practical, useful, and reliable. AI is everywhere nowadays, right? In education, healthcare, marketing, software, even law. But here's the secret. These models don't just magically know what you want, right? They need guidance. They need you. Prompt engineer, right? So we don't want useless answers. We need good prompts, provides powerful, accurate, and creative results. So prompt engineering is blowing up, which is basically the bridge between people and AI, right? What are the core responsibilities of a prompt engineer? The primary responsibility, right, is to craft, test, and refine prompts from different use cases, right? This includes understanding the model's behavior, evaluating output, and adjusting input for clarity and consistency. They also collaborate with developers, product managers, and AI researchers to fine-tune AI performance. Now, in some ways, prompt engineers build prompt libraries, manage prompt versioning, or even automate prompt pipelines for enterprise-level applications. Now, what prompt engineers actually do on a daily basis, right? Well, someone in the role might do day-to-day, right? What are those? For example, create and test prompts, see what works best, figure out why the AI is giving bad answers and fix it. Another way is work with other team members like dev or product people to make sure AI behaves the way users expect. Prompt libraries, you can build those so others can reuse them, automate and organize prompts and how prompts are used in apps. So some of the tools that are essential for prompt engineers, right? Prompt engineers often work with AI platforms like OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google AI, and others. Now they use tools such as playground environments, right? Prompt tuning APIs, vector databases, and LLM dashboards. Now some even write scripts in Python to automate those test prompts or evaluate model responses. Version control tools like Git are used to track changes, while platforms like LangChain or PromptLayer support prompt deployment and management. Now these skills require to become a prompt engineer, right? You don't need to be a master coder, but you do need a strong understanding of language, logic, and AI behavior. Well, critical thinking, experimentation, and the ability to work across disciplines are crucials. So familiarity with NLP concepts, for example, model limitations like hallucinations, and prompt structures such as few shot, zero shot, and chain of thought prompting are equally important. So in more technical environments, skills in Python, APIs, for example, can help you a strong edge. Prompt engineering can make you stand out from the crowd, and the cool thing about is that it's still new, so not many people actually fully understand it yet. So great opportunity. That means if you learn how to do it well, you can really stand out, whether you're applying for jobs, starting a freelance consulting business, or building your own AI-powered tools, like I am. Knowing how to guide AI can make you very effective and stand out. You don't have to be an expert to start, and you don't feel like to be an AI expert, but you need to be able to get into it and learn. A lot of successful prompt engineers come from non-technical backgrounds, like writers, marketers, designers, teachers, and so on. What matters most is being curious, right? Get that creativity out and being willing to experiment until you get better results. Prompt engineering can be creative, right? It's not just a technical job, it's actually creative, right? You need to think like a storyteller, right? A problem solver, and sometimes like a game designer, right? You'll often have to get clever with how you phrase things, right? Even the words matter in a certain way. It's like solving puzzles with words. Some of the career paths and industries who are hiring prompt engineers, right? So prompt engineers are in tech startup, AI companies, educational platforms, legal firms, and digital agencies, to name a few. And roles may include AI prompt designer, LLM integration specialist, AI content strategist, or conversational AI engineer, right? Companies working on chatbots, AI tutors, or content automation and customer service AI are rapidly hiring these professionals. As AI regulations evolve, prompt engineers may also play a role responsible for AI development and auditing. Some of the salary and job demand, right? That's the beauty. Well, recently, prompt engineers are earning from $85,000 to over $200,000 per year, depending on location, your experience, your background, and the complexity of the role. Freelancers, of course, are offering prompt design services are also seeing significant demand, right? As AI adoption adopts globally, the job market is growing exponentially as we speak. So what is the future scope of prompt engineering? Basically, it's expected to evolve alongside AI models themselves. As models become multimodal, prompt engineers will design prompts that combine text, images, audio, and video. Now, there will also be a shift towards more automated and dynamic prompt systems, but the need for human creativity and logic will remain critical. Now, some experts predict prompt engineering will eventually merge with product design, UX, and AI ethics, making it a foundation skill in digital transformation. So, prompt engineering is not just a technical role. It's a bridge between human intention and machine intelligence. Now, whether you're a writer, a developer, or someone passionate about AI, this field offers exciting opportunities to shape the future. And now is the perfect time to learn, experiment, and build your career in the most innovative spaces in tech. I hope this helps. Let me know and comment down below what you think about prompt engineering. And of course, I'll put some links in the description that you can take a look at where you will learn more about prompt engineering and of course, tons of free resources. My name is Syed. Thanks for being on ClayDesk. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.